Hey there, ever wondered how some people manage to smell great and look fresh all day long? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm spilling the tea on the secrets to smelling good and looking clean 24/7. First things first, hygiene is key. It sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people overlook the basics. Start with a good shower routine. Use a quality body wash and don't forget to scrub all those nooks and crannies. Pro tip, opt for a body wash with natural ingredients. Your skin will thank you. Next up, deodorant. Don't skimp on this. Find one that works for you, whether it's a spray, stick, or roll-on. Remember, it's not just about masking odors, it's about preventing them in the first place. Now let's talk about fragrance. A signature scent can make a world of difference. Choose a fragrance that suits your personality. Are you more of a fresh and clean type, or do you prefer something musky and mysterious? Apply it to your pulse points, wrists, neck, behind the ears, for a long-lasting effect. Skin and hair care are equally important. Keep your skin moisturized to avoid that dull, dry look. Use a lightweight lotion in the morning and a heavier one before bed. For your hair, regular washing is a must, but don't overdo it. Too much shampoo can strip your hair of its natural oils. And hey, a little styling product can go a long way. Just don't go overboard. Clothing matters too. Clean, well-fitted clothes can make you look sharp and put together. Make sure your clothes are wrinkle-free and smell fresh. You don't need a wardrobe full of designer pieces, just a few staples that you feel good in. And here's a bonus tip. Stay hydrated and eat healthily. What you put into your body shows on the outside. Drinking plenty of water and eating a balanced diet can keep your skin clear and your energy levels high, making you look and feel great all day. Alright, quick recap. Shower daily, use deodorant, find your signature scent, take care of your skin and hair, wear clean clothes, and maintain a healthy diet. Follow these tips, and you'll be smelling good and looking fresh 24/7. So, there you have it. Ready to conquer the world with your newfound confidence? Drop a comment below if you have any other tips or questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay fresh.